Hey everybody, it's Davida with WTI. And if you love watching movies on a really big screen that makes you feel like you are at the movie theater, but you're really at home, then I would really recommend getting a projector. We have had this projector now for about 5 years. This is the ViewSonic DLP projector. And one thing I love about this is that we've had this projector for 5 years now, and the lamp life is about 10,000 hours. We haven't even gotten to half of that. So the life on the projector is really great. It gives excellent quality, and I want to show you some of the features up close. The projector does have its own little built-in speaker, which is awesome. There's an area where you can attach it to the ceiling, or you can simply just leave it standing on a table. It also has VGA and HDMI inputs, as well as outlets to connect to any audio speaker. And here's the remote and the cable that comes with the projector. The video quality is extremely crisp and clear. As you can see, we have it hooked up to our laptop, and the great thing is that it fits our entire wall, which is really big. My family absolutely loves using this projector. We hope you do too, and that's our point of view.